Well, as I look back, I think what influenced me to take physics and then eventually ophthalmology as well is always a curiosity of how things worked, why they worked. We, on the farm, had mirages. So some mornings you wake up, or some certain climate conditions, the houses that were, 20 miles away were just rising up out of the horizon, And we saw a bit of mountains, and the same thing. Sometimes the mountains were really tall, and I was curious, what does that? And then we had ice that in the yard that would sort of disappear without any warm weather, and I couldn't figure that out until I learned in physics that sublimation. It goes from solid to vapor without going through the liquid phase. And why were the phone wires tight in the wintertime, zinging, and then sagging in the summertime? So physics just really interested me to find out how things work. I had a wonderful physics teacher at this school in Lacombe, and he made physics alive. So when I got to Walla Walla College, had to decide on a major. I was thinking of pre-med. Well, most pre-meds take biology or chemistry, but I liked physics, so I said, I'm going to do what I like to do and get the biology and chemistry requirements as well. But that's how I got into physics. And then in medical school, of course, the first year was mostly memorizing all the different anatomical parts and microscopic analysis and diseases and so forth. But when I got to physiology, then it was more like physics. We had a lab, and we had experiments we did, worked from laws instead of just memorizing. So I liked physiology. In medical school, we rotate through the different subspecialties, and I was always thinking, well, this is just part of the training. I'm going to be a general practitioner. That was always my goal, because I had an uncle that was a general practitioner, and I liked the direct contact with people, helping people individually. But when I got to the ophthalmology clinic and looked through this slit lamp microscope, where I could look right at blood vessels, even sometimes see little corpuscles going in the small vessels in the conjunctiva, I thought, this is what I want, because it feels more like I'm back in that physics lab.